Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is create yourself a YouTube channel so you can sign up for that from the main page. Once you've done, head it to YouTube Studio, and then from YouTube Studio we're going to click on Create in the top right hand corner and then Upload Videos. So what we want to do is drag and drop our video into this window that's just popped up. So I've got a short here that I need to upload. I'll drag and drop that. And then as you can see, the video has started uploading. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is add a title to our video. So that's the first box that we're greeted with. So I'm just going to update this title. I'm just going to add a how-to at the start. And then we're going to head to the description. So if you're doing a short, the first thing that you're going to need to add to your description is a hashtag shorts. So once I've added that, then I can go ahead and add just a short description on what the video is all about, just helping those that are viewing it make sure it's the video that's going to be useful for them. Okay, now we've got that done, we can scroll down. So as I'm uploading a short, I don't need to add a thumbnail. If I was uploading a normal video, you'd have a box here that says upload thumbnail. You click that, navigate to your thumbnail, and then that will be added to your video. So the next option we have playlist. So I've got a playlist for shorts, so I'm just going to select that and hit done. So this one's quite important. It's just selecting whether it's made for kids or not, because there's slightly different rules. So my video is not made for kids, so that's the box I'm going to check. Most of the time you won't need to worry about any of these options, just leave them all as they are. And then the next one that we're going to need to do are tags. Now, tags are kind of incredibly useful. So these are the ways to help people find your videos. You also see this drop-down list on mine. So this is something called TubeBuddy. So it's not here by default. This is something you can link your account to. I just have a free TubeBuddy account. And what it does is give me some suggestions on tags that might work for my video. So it's something I'd consider signing up for if you do have a YouTube channel. Like I said, I just have the free version, but it does help sometimes coming up with these tags and search terms. So all of these tags will hopefully help people find your videos a little bit easier. So as you can see, I've put here, and there's a few different options, and I'm just going to select them from this TubeBuddy drop-down list. Now, one thing to note with tags is, I used to think that tags just had to be one word, but they can actually be full sentences. So the best way to look at tags is, what are people likely to be searching for? Okay, so someone might be searching for how to quit an app on Mac that won't quit. So I can put that in, and then if people search for that, it gives a better chance of them finding my video. So you kind of want to try and add as many different tags as you can. Like you said, you do have a word count, but just try and think of as many different ways that people might search for your video and just add in as many as you can. It doesn't do any harm and can only actually really probably be a positive thing to add to your video. So I've got a number of tags here, which I'm quite happy with. So let's go ahead and scroll down. We don't need to worry about any other option. We're just going to click next. Okay, I can add a related video, so I can connect it up with another video to hopefully channel people towards it. So I'll just have a look through here. These are all the videos that I have created before, my shorts and full length videos as well. So maybe this trackpad gesture one might be useful. So we'll click on that. We'll go over to next in the bottom right hand corner, and next again. And then from here, I'm going to you can schedule in this box, but I can just hit public and check that box. And then when I go down to the bottom right hand corner, I can hit publish. And then from here, my video is then been uploaded onto my YouTube channel. So I hope that you found this video useful. Like I said, it's incredibly easy to get your videos uploaded. So give it a go. If this video has been good, please give it a like, comment below, and I'll see you next time.